Hey the greedy family, welcome to the channel. Let's start eating. Hey the greedy family, welcome back to the channel. Thank you so much for joining us today. Today is Fast Food Fridays. Alright guys, today we are trying the new Domino's pizza, taco pizza, and their hamburger pizza.
Hamburger pizza.
So listen, we're gonna do a, as my husband called it, a thumbnail.
We're gonna do a thumbnail right now.
Alright, I'm ready, honey.
Thumbnail. Who wants some?
Good.
Yeah, oh, napkins over here. Maybe a piece of napkin.
I just take one.
One piece. Okay, so what we got on that now?
So I just have the drink that Richie always brings in here.
Dollar drinker, you know we gotta keep it like that. Lipton, isn't it?
And I don't care what pizza I'm eating, I have to have my blue cheese. But I'm gonna try it first without the blue cheese to see how it is.
I'm gonna try without my sauce too.
I'm surprised that this hamburger pizza looks very good.
Yeah,
as you guys know, I don't eat hamburgers, burgers, cheeseburgers, whatever. But maybe this might change my mind.
Yep, you're gonna try it.
Which one you gonna try first, honey?
What kind of topping you have on yours?
I don't know. It's chicken.
Oh, they just put whatever they want on it?
No, it's a taco, so it's gonna taste like a taco.
Oh, it's a taco, chicken taco pizza.
Chicken taco pizza.
Okay. You wanna try the burger one? I'm gonna try that.
I'm gonna try this one first.
All right, fam. Let's go. Let's see what that Domino's dealing with. Your birthday, you know.
Put your hand too, baby. You gotta put, yeah.
I see that. Yo, man, your mom has stretched too far, man.
Wait a minute.
This tastes like burger for real.
It's like a burger for real?
Yeah. No joke, family. This tastes like a burger for real.
Huh.
No lie. Wow.
At first, I was gonna say it doesn't taste like a taco, but when you keep on eating it, it tastes like a taco.
Further, you know, I'm not lying. This tastes like a burger.
I'm gonna try that next after this piece.
Okay. Okay, no. Y'all made a masterpiece right here. I see that. All the burger lovers, this does taste like burger.
This tastes like a taco.
No lie. And it got mayo in there too. I'm telling you.
Wow.
I'm telling you something wrong. I taste mayo.
Oh yeah.
Well, tastes like a.
And the thin crust with the taco pizza, it feels like a taco shell.
Oh, you know what? They're gonna put the thing I was telling you about the oil thing.
Oh, they put it there?
Let me try one of the first day.
This tastes like I love thin crust pizza.
Let me try taco pizza.
Tastes like burger pizza.
Take a small slice. Take a small slice. Take a small slice, man.
You understand what to do?
Look, of all the slices, you want to take the big slice. Here, see your slice. Are you small? Take a small slice. Are you small? Of all the slices, you want to come take the big slice.
Yep.
I should not eat burger.
Yep. Huh.
Oh. You think I'm talking for real? I'm sorry.
I gotta taste it because you was talking so much.
No, seriously, first lady.
You was talking so much, honey. It distracted me from my taste buds. But you're not a fan of thin shell. I'm gonna taste this now fully because I had a piece of taco.
I want to find a dish for real.
Let me see.
You gonna see, when you get down in there more. Right?
I do.
I told you.
Oh man.
I mean, seriously, this tastes like a taco, and then, wow. How did people come up with this?
That is really good.
I told you.
But
yeah, this is a go.
I think I saw them put cheddar cheese in here.
Whatever it tastes like, what do you call it?
It tastes exactly like a burger. Wow.
And you never ate a burger before?
I mean, I've had burgers, but that's my high when I was like 15 years old.
But it tastes like you.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I remember what a burger tastes like. I just can't eat it.
Wow. Yeah. Yeah, I need to go try this.
Honey. I might go get a burger.
And man, you get a burger for real.
Real.
Yeah.
Okay.
I'm enjoying it. True review.
Even though this is thin crust, and that's not. Honestly, just by tasting them, which one would you prefer?
Two of them.
Honey, you gotta pick one. Be honest, one.
If I had to pick, I'll go with this. I go this one. Cause more like that, more woof. Yeah,
woof.
yeah. But don't get me wrong, that one good too. Both of them are good. Ramen.
Guys.
When first they said she gonna get this. Oh, don't forget 6 o'clock.
Oh yeah.
Don't be late or you won't participate. You know?
And this time we mean it.
And we mean it this time.
Listen, you guys voted.
Yeah.
Okay? So it's every other Friday for 2 hours.
Yes. We gotta ask them how they doing. Cause we're so
fascinated.
Yeah. How you doing? Fine? Oh. Now you asking you, son? We had to try to tell you that you will try it because I know you're gonna try it. So I'm gonna tell y'all. So we tell you now, it is good.
It's a go.
It's a go. Yeah, it's a go.
It's a definite go.
It's a go, I ain't gonna lie. When first they told me about this, I said, what? Hamburger pizza? Yeah, first you mash up hamburger pizza, man.
Just good. I want another piece.
No, no. Don't share. 1, 2, 3, 4. I caught it 10 slices, and you got 2 slices already out of mine.
I ate 1.
Wow. And it's
good.
baked right. I ain't gonna lie.
And that one is very juicy. It's like they have a lot of toppings on that one.
A lot of topping on it. And more like they put much whipped cheese on it.
Yeah, that's what I'm saying. Look, it has cheddar, mozzarella. But it tastes like a freaking burger. And this tastes like a taco. Now the first bite, I was like,
no, but when you got into it.
When you start eating it, you're like, oh, wait a minute.
When you got into it, that's when it started kicking.
Yeah.
I can't even put none of my barbecue sauce on. I ain't put none of that. I didn't
even put any of my sauce. That's what I'm saying.
It is good.
It's good.
We have to say the kids them some stuff, Bex.
Because they want to try it too. Now, family, we don't really eat. We don't really eat Domino's pizza.
Yeah.
Are we gonna be honest?
Yeah. We like that.
The sandwich.
We are Papa John.
But really and truly, we don't really eat pizza like that unless it's from Mod's Pizza.
Yeah.
Because, like we always said, once you go to Jamaica and you have Pizza Hut in Jamaica, or you have KFC in Jamaica, when you come to the States, you can't eat Pizza Hut or KFC again.
Yep, she went down there, she fell in love with it.
It's not going to taste the same.
She went, man. She didn't want no Jamaican food. All she wanted was pizza.
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 That was it.
Yep.
I'm telling you.
KFC in Jamaica. It's not even Jamaica. I hear other islands say that KFC is nice too. I guess it's just an island.
But KFC in Jamaica?
Yep.
Ain't got nothing.
Nothing. The chicken is not raw. You don't smell the chicken. You could eat chicken. You could smell your hands. Don't smell raw. Their
It's
French fries
flavorful.
good, flavorful. Their French fries. They got what, the spicy one too.
My favorite. And something about your Pizza Hut in Jamaica, I don't know how to describe it. I don't know if it's the water that I use or what.
Natural chicken, man. Natural fowl.
No,
No preservative. No.
No, not preservative.
Organic.
Yeah, it's all basically that fact it's organic. This is good.
Family. I'll eat this off now. So I gotta save it. This is good. I'm not gonna lie, it is good though.
It's good.
Wow.
It tastes like a taco.
Y'all gonna see for yourself. I think we're capping over here.
You have to try it, guys.
Family, you have to try it.
You don't have to get thin crust.
Yeah.
But I wanted to try thin crust because, first of all, I love thin crust. So, but I wanted to try thin crust to make it seem like it's an actual taco.
Yeah. Damn.
But it would taste just as good.
It tastes just as good
with the regular with the regular shell.
Excuse me. God, I'm thirsty.
But like I was saying, when we go to Domino's, we don't buy their pizza because we don't really like their pizza. But this is good.
This is good.
We buy their sandwiches. Those sandwiches be banging.
Them sandwiches be hitting.
Thin crust pizza.
Oh my God.
On to you, man. You pissed off?
Pizza nice, man.
It tastes really good.
They believe us, cause we've been saying it the whole video.
Do we always do that?
Do you believe us? Okay. So you know we're giving them full review. When you go, tell them the greedy couple sent you. Okay? Use that discount. Use that discount. Where is this located?
Please.
First Lady?
You chat too much. You're gonna try to get me involved in your nonsense. I don't think so.
Tell our First Lady send you. Nice.
It's really good. It's really, 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 really good.
At first I say it's really good, that means it's good.
It's good.
At first I say it's really good. Yo. Can I enjoy my pizza in one? So the taco sauce in there, no?
I think you can taste the
Like it's the sauce of the taco.
like the powder, the seasoning.
Exactly, I'm talking about.
You taste it. Like, you know when you eat a taco, it tastes like a taco. If Domino's is trying to attract people,
Yeah.
this is hit.
Yeah. This is a hit.
This is a hit.
This is a hit. True. I ain't gonna lie, they put some big piece of chicken.
I know. I would actually get up and say, I feel like eating a hamburger pizza.
I would say the same thing too.
That's what I'm saying. Now there's some places where you will go and you eat something and you say, oh, that was good. But then you won't crave it.
Yeah.
You know how you crave Popeyes, you crave Chipotle, and you like, ooh, I'm in the mood for Jamaican food today.
No,
You know what I mean?
No, you just say, alright.
Culver's, you know, I love me some Culver's.
Yeah.
Yeah.
She never liked Culver before. Until I went there. She said, what the hell is that? So I went there. Excuse me. Damn, I was thirsty. I bought the food. She tasted, oh my gosh, she fell in love. Every minute she want Culver's now.
Every minute.
And they make it hot to go.
So, but this is something, both of them, I can see me saying,
I'll try again.
I feel like eating that hamburger pizza.
You know, so 2 slices, man, get them. 2 slices, man. I'm taking one more slice. I said I was gonna leave it, but I'm taking one more slice. It's that good.
Well, they already had their fast food already.
Yeah, but they still taste it.
Excuse me, I'm saying, but you can give them a slice of taste because they already ate their food.
So one, and then, yeah.
Come on.
See, family? I'm gonna let them taste it. I want to hear their opinion. But I have to go one more slice for the road. You don't eat up this now? Have you tell her no? She eat it up now? my God.
You got separated. You know what happened last time?
That little girl could eat.
Last time we said here, you guys try it. But before Vincent could come out his room, it was gone.
It was gone. You separated 1-1, and then 2-2.
And here she goes. You know he wanted any.
But yeah, family, the honest review. We ain't going around it. Go try it. The hamburger pizza and the taco pizza from Domino's, okay? Real talk. And let us know.
Really good.
When y'all do try it. Yeah. Excuse me. I'm thirsty. I bring one juice. When I'm really thirsty, I bring one juice. Usually I have 2 juices earlier.
I know. Usually you have 2 juices.
All right. It's a go.
It's a go.
Yeah. I was kind of hesitating, like, okay, I wonder if it really gonna taste like it.
No. What you're saying is, I wonder if it's gonna fool me. But tell the truth.
2 lemons. It did fool me. I give it my 2 slices. I couldn't even finish it. All right. One thing with pizza, you know, when you eat pizza, crumbs is messy. Like the crumbs separated from now.
I got this is family.
They'll fight.
You guys, if you meet Tamia, you understand why. She takes that to her father. If we don't do this, Vincent won't get none. So this is for them to taste it. Vincent will not get any because that girl moved like a lightning. Okay?
Beep beep. All right. Pastor Rich in the building right now. Okay, let me see what I got for y'all lovely people today. Drink good, right?
This is really good.
Okay. Word of wisdom from the pastor. What?
I jumped, but I thought I heard something.
Oh. All right. If someone seriously wants to be a part of your life, they will seriously make an effort to be in it.
Ooh.
No reason, no excuses. Again, if someone seriously wants to be in a part of your life, they will seriously make an effort to be in it. Okay? No reason and no excuses.
That's true.
All right.
That's true.
True facts. We appreciate y'all. We shared with y'all. Don't forget to like, share, comment, subscribe if you're new, and welcome to the Greedy family.
Yes.
Yeah.
We know that there are millions of YouTubers out there, and we appreciate you taking the time to watch us. We will see you next time for another mukbang.
Bye. Bye. Don't forget 6 o'clock. Okay?
I'm full. I'm still eating.
If you say greedy, that's what I'm going to agree.